Walk into any Texas courthouse and you'll find a place where the county commissioners meet. The commissioners' court is made up of its presiding officer, the county judge, and 4 county commissioners, who each represent a fourth of the county's residents. As a body, they address the community's infrastructure needs, including transportation, subdivision regulation, and sanitation in rural areas. For the entire county government, the Commissioners' Court is responsible for setting the budget for all county departments, establishing employment and benefit policies, providing for courthouse buildings, and setting a tax rate, among other duties.
In my role as commissioner, as far as working with the other elected officials in the county, I kind of see that as an opportunity to make sure that we coordinate the various jobs and the various activities that are going on in the county.
Because the county government serves the public throughout the county, many of the challenges faced by Commissioners' Court are regional in nature.
What I would liken it to is within a county you may have 10 or 15 fairly good-sized cities that are each providing some services but can't really provide a full range. What the county can do is to coordinate with those cities and with those other agencies to make sure that nothing's falling through the cracks.
The county's chief executive is the county judge, a position created by the Texas Constitution. The primary job is to preside over the Commissioners' Court, where decisions about the business of running a county are made.
All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. All opposed, same sign. Motion carries.
But that's only the most obvious part of the job. Behind the scenes, the county judge is actively involved in working with other governmental bodies.
How we coming with that appraisal? As soon as I get that, I'll share that with the Commissioners' Court.
What were they going to provide for us?
Service. The judge also keeps in close contact with other county departments. And the county judge often mediates between the sides in a controversial issue.
As county judge, I interact with the other elected officials and department heads. We work as a team. And as a team, we have a lot of interaction. I've got to know their needs. I've got to know their wants. They've got to understand that I have a budget to balance. And so consequently, that's the only way that I can get my job done, is to be able to interact positively with the other elected officials and department heads.
In much of Texas, the county judge performs duties consistent with the title judge, even though holders of this office are not required by law to be attorneys. On any given day, you may find a county judge presiding over a misdemeanor criminal case, such as drunk driving. Additionally, county judges may be called upon to carefully follow state-mandated procedures to probate the will of a deceased person, or appoint guardians for minors or people who are incapacitated. In most counties, county judges work with juvenile lawbreakers to encourage them to live on the straight and narrow. These are responsibilities they take seriously.